It's Mark for Future, and today we're going to be singing about the countries of Europe. Russia, Ukraine, France, Sweden and Spain, Norway, Germany, Finland, Poland and Greece, Italy, the United Kingdom, Romania, Belarus and Hungary, Kazakhstan, Iceland, Portugal, Austria and Serbia, Ireland, the Czech Republic, Lithuania, Latvia and Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Slovakia, Estonia and Switzerland, Denmark, the Netherlands, Moldova, Albania and Belgium, North Macedonia, Turkey, Slovenia, Montenegro and Kosovo, Azerbaijan, Luxembourg, Georgia, Andorra and Malta, Liechtenstein, San Marino, Monaco, Cyprus and Armenia. These are the countries of Europe. These are the countries of Europe. These are the countries of Europe. These are the countries of Europe.